Founded in 2014, Ningbo SILANG is a professional LED lighting enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, and sales, with over 10 years of experience in LED downlights, security lights, and commercial lighting. Our 20,000 square meter factory has 48 production lines and over 200 skilled workers, supporting large-scale, standardized production. With automated lines, assembly lines, aging test lines, SMT lines, and high-speed insertion machines, we build a closed-loop process from components to finished products. Imported German equipment provides micron-level accuracy, ensuring stable quality, product consistency, and precision manufacturing for both standard and customized products. Our products include LED downlights, security lights, ceiling lights, and linear lights, serving residential, commercial, industrial, and outdoor applications. With annual exports exceeding $40 million, SILANG products are sold to over 40 countries and regions, including Australia, Europe, and the Americas, meeting different market standards and needs. SILANG continues to upgrade product technology. Our R&D team includes over 20 senior engineers, supported by over $1 million in accumulated R&D investment. We provide full-chain customized R&D, from requirement communication, solution design, to trial production optimization and mass production. We can also adapt product structure, optics, thermal management, and intelligent control for different markets and applications. SILANG has obtained over 100 project-based R&D patents. Following ISO 9001, we build full process quality control from incoming inspection to pre-shipment testing, with dedicated standards for customized products. Our products can meet TÜV, CE, UKCA, RCM, UL, and other certification standards. Regular products are delivered in 45 days, while customized projects follow dedicated management, with about 3 months for development and 175 days for full delivery. Today, SILANG exports to more than 30 countries, including New Zealand, Australia, Germany, the United States, the United Kingdom, and France. Annual exports to Australia alone exceed 1 million units, and total annual sales exceed $40 million. With stable quality and professional customized services, SILANG has earned global recognition and long-term partnerships with several international lighting brands. Looking ahead, SILANG will continue to focus on LED lighting, driven by technological innovation and customized services. For samples, quotations, or customized projects, please contact our sales team.